Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deactivate your WhatsApp community. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp communities are similar to WhatsApp groups, but you can invite more people to them. You can create WhatsApp communities group based on similar interests, whereas WhatsApp group enable user to join one conversation at a time. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create community on WhatsApp. But now, what if you want to deactivate your community? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now we can go to community section and you can choose on the community that you want to deactivate. I will choose this one for the example. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Choose on community settings. Here's for your community info. You can go to community info and you can scroll down and you'll find there is an option deactivate community. You can just tap on that. You can choose. If you deactivate this community, group will be disconnected. Groups won't be in this community but will still work as usual. Announcement group will be closed. Community info will be deleted. Now we can just tap on deactivate. Tap on deactivate. So now we have deactivate that community from your WhatsApp. It's so simple, right? So that is how to deactivate community on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So thank you and see you.